You know why I say that? Because I had this dream.
The dream, what did it say?
I had this dream I was telling me and Michael about it too. This dream about standing on stage, amateur night, at the Apollo, singing Your Precious Love by Marvin and Terry
Try and see millions in profits and still be philanthropic. Drilling the Brazilian as I chill in the tropics. Rocking like I know Bob Dylan is watching. Acid tap for Jimmy and Janis Joplin. Hard to get rid of me. I'm like herpes, known to never show them Mike mercy. I gave them content, they wanted controversy. Well, here you have it, gladly causing the static. Equipped with a big dick, clipped from my automatic. Since back when gangsters still call guns ratchets. I personify a figure you idolize.